Today, we want to talk about the future of scalable crypto infrastructure and giving you the top 10 modular blockchain tokens to buy in 2026. So at the end of the day, this infrastructure is actually redesigning the architecture of blockchains. Monolithic blockchains try to do everything, right? So from execution to consensus and data availability and also settlement all in one layer, whereas in modular blockchains actually tend to separate these components, allowing each layer to specialize and scale independently. And this architectural shift itself could redefine pretty much or define the next generation of blockchain and scalability. In 2026, we're seeing that if the bull market returns, this is probably one of the narratives that will take off quite well, because it's not only about security and decentralization and scalability, but also modular blockchains typically address the splitting all the problems, execution layers, the data availability layers, and settlement, and also consensus all in one, allowing faster throughput, lower fees, greater flexibility, easier app chain deployment, and also just a better developer experience. And so we've chosen these tokens based on the modular architecture itself, the real ecosystem adoption of the ecosystem, and also the developer traction and integration with rollups and app chains, and also exchange liquidity, which is very, very important for execution, right? Without wasting any time, let's get right into all of these tokens, right? So Celestia TIA is the token ticker. It provides modular data availability and consensus, allowing rollups to launch without building full consensus layers. So it specializes in data availability, core to modular architecture, and you can trade it on Bybit or MEXC. And I think this one in a bull market, it could do a 6x quite easily. Cosmos Atom, which is done fairly, it's always kept people kind of excited with their app chain ecosystem, enabling sovereign modular chains. You can also trade it on Bybit or MEXC on any other exchanges. KCEX is one of my favorite exchanges. All the links will be in the description, and also check out the full review on our main site. I've dropped the link in the description so you can actually see where to get the tokens and also the predictions, right? So I think this one in a bull case could do a 4x. Polkadot is the token ticker, a shared security model via parachains. Also, I think it could do well in a bull market. You can trade it on platforms like Bybit. You can get the links in the description. And then you've got, of course, Ethereum itself acting as a settlement layer for rollups and modular execution environments. And Avalanche, which is AVAX subnet architecture here, allowing customizable execution layers. You can trade it on Bybit. The link is in the description, guys. It could do a 4 to 5x in a bull market. This is just our analysis, but it's not financial advice. Near protocol, Near is the token ticker here, a sharded horizontally scalable execution layer. Pretty much this one could do, I think, easily a 4x from where it is right now. Dymension, DYM, a rollup ecosystem enabling modular rollups and simplified deployment. You can also trade it on MEXC. You can use Optimism is the 8th one on our list today, a layer 2 rollup network focusing on modular execution, scalability. I think this one could definitely do a 4 to 5x in a bull market. Arbitrum, one of my favorite chains, leading optimistic rollup execution, really available on many of the cryptocurrency exchanges that we've reviewed extensively on our main site. The links are all in the description. Then you got Manta Network, a ZK-based modular privacy layer. And this could do a 5x, I'm sure, in a bull market. But of course, like I said, this is no financial advice. This is based on our analysis and using some of the AI models that we've used to gather the information. So you can use most of my favorite cryptocurrency exchanges, KCEX, Bybit, Bitunix, MEXC. All the links are in the description. If you want the full reviews to those platforms too, you can find them on our main site, decentralized.news. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.